Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing from the MiniFig Club. This is my August bag, and I have my little postcard here. Every month you get a stamp that you can put on there, and then you can fill up the postcard and send it out for freebie. So let's get everything out of here. So that should be everything. We have stuff about their Facebook group, a little postcard here with a Lego guy on it. There's always like a little challenge or contest. You always get a little bookmark. Looks like we have a beach or sailor theme possibly this month. Here's our sticker that goes on here, which I'll do later. We also get a bigger sticker that goes with the theme and a magnet, which is really cute. Then here's all the pieces. So we have body parts, accessories, and a figure or a piece of the month. And I'll put all the details below about the price and all that. I've been getting this for, let's see, 6-7 months. So you can go back and look at past bags that I've unboxed or unbagged. So we just have like a little gem. That's our piece of the month. Then let's look at the body parts. So what I like about this subscription, they're official Lego pieces. A lot of them aren't. A lot of them are just like knockoff pieces that look like Lego, but they aren't Lego brand, but this is actual Lego pieces. So we have some legs here, chest piece, and that has a little dolphin on it. Some white legs. This is just a plain yellow head. Put those under certain helmets and masks, and it looks pretty cool. Also have another chest piece that says Arctic on it. Kind of looks like a coat maybe. One that's red. There's a submarine maybe on it. Can't quite tell. A ninja face. Some short purple legs. Ooh, I like that one. He's got fangs. Some of my favorite minifigures are like the Halloween ones. Or I call them Halloweens, any kind of monster ones. And then a white face. There's always enough pieces to make 3 full minifigures, and then there's like an extra piece or 2 in there. And then we have random accessories. So we have the sword. I don't think I have one of those. This is cool too. I guess, is this a hat? Huh. Kind of looks like a chef hat. It's pink. A helmet. And some of the pieces I've gotten here before are kind of vintage. And my husband remembers having some of those when he was a child. Another helmet. Their spear. A little broom, that's cute. A goblet, this piece that attaches to something. A brush. That actually says Lego on it. I wonder if that's a Lego Friends. I've never seen that piece either. And I feel like I get a lot of these that you could attach things to. And then this. So that's what came in my August bag. Just to give you an idea of some of the stuff that you get. I do like this subscription. My son loves it, and I'm going to go package all this up and go give it to him so he could unbox it himself. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.